Hey guys, so you can ship your items with us. Here we have a TV that Pascal wife bought him. He didn't even know that she bought him it. 50-inch TV. Guys, you can ship your TV with us. We're making shipping so affordable. It is not an issue at all. You can go ahead. 50 inches. You can hardly manage it. Alright, Pascal. Yeah, man, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem at all. Alright, guys. You want the TV in there, sir? You can get one with us, man. You can ship it down. We ship it for you. Buy it and we ship it. Come down here for you. Alright, guys. Catch you later. Pascal is gone with his 50-inch TV. Show me the massager now. Let me see the massager. Let the guy see the massager. His wife surprised him with a TV and a massager. So he's talking to his wife on the phone right now. Yeah? She catch him. Alright, nice. So guys, listen. If you're overseas, you can send your items to your loved ones. We will ship it for you and surprise them. You're surprised, right?
Very much so.
Alright, cool. Alright guys, catch you later.